chip-to-chip time of less than 2 seconds and the completion of a ball stud every 7 seconds, the VST50 impresses with extreme performance data. This speed is made possible by a work area with 2 workpiece spindles, 2 optional tailstocks, and 3 robots for loading and transporting the workpieces.
Tools are changed fully automatically by a robot at the end of the tool life without interrupting production. Process reliability is guaranteed by a light band micrometer, which carries out a quality check of the ball and neck diameter in the shortest possible time. For precise turning and smoothing of the ball and the neck, the machine has a cross slide, including a swiveling tool carrier with U-axis.